Hey there, YouTube. Crypto Force here again, bringing you another daily dose of crypto. Now, today my voice is a little froggy, so bear with me. I am a little under the weather, but I wanted to get this video out there, and hopefully it'll help some of you guys out. The video I want to do today is how to win at trading cryptocurrency, and 7 tips to help you do that. Now, I have been a day trader for a number of years now. I've day traded. I've done as much as I think most I ever did was probably around like 34 trades in a day or so. I've traded options for a while, and I've been really successful at it, but I've also had some pretty big losses. So, I've been hit and miss, and if I had to follow these 7 strategies, I would be a whole lot better off. And a lot of these actually came from personal experiences of, the things that I've done that were wrong. So let's get into this. The first thing I can tell you: do your research. Don't go on YouTube and watch videos where people are speculating price and saying this is going to definitely be worth this much money, and that's just it's really hit and miss. I mean, cryptocurrency is so new. In a lot of cases, you can even throw the charts out the window because any little blurb of news just sends it all the way to the bottom. As soon as it tries to recoup, another little thing of negative news comes out, sends it back to the bottom. So really what you need to look for in your research, look for the YouTube videos or the people that give you the facts, that they're not just throwing out saying these are the best cryptocurrencies, buy these because it's going to go up 200% or 300%, because that's really subjective, and it doesn't really do much. I mean, it can get you in a lot of trouble, I guess is what I'm saying. So now it'd be different if you had somebody like a Warren Buffett type that was in the cryptocurrency world come out and say, this is definitely going to be the next big coin. Yeah, I would probably definitely listen to them, but for the most part, I try to make YouTube videos. I try to keep them objective as possible. I might throw in some opinion here and there, but I do try to keep the fundamentals there with the low market caps, legitimate teams, a legitimate product. And so look for videos like that, and make sure you do your research and try to find out the big picture, who's involved, and just do your research. That's really a huge thing. Number 2 is diversify. Don't get caught with all your eggs in one basket. At one point in my life, I had all my money of my 401k years ago in and it was in company stock, as a matter of fact. 100% it was a company stock. When 2008 rolled around, the company stock went from around $45 a share to around $1.50. And then the crazy thing is, once it got to $1.50, I was like, are you kidding me? So I continued to buy the company stock. And then at some point, I don't know what brainchild came up with it, but the CEO came out and sent us all a letter and said, as of now, you're not allowed to own company stock in your 401k, and it will be sold on this date. So needless to say, all my company stock that I'd been putting all that money into was sold. And I knew better. I absolutely knew better. I had all my eggs in one basket, and I wound up losing a small fortune. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Hold Bitcoin, different altcoins, whatever you're going to hold, but make sure you're diversified and you don't have all your eggs in one basket, because I can promise you nothing can make your world go wrong faster than that. Take your profits. Too many people just think to themselves, oh man, this thing's up 50%, it's going to go up 200%, and I'm really going to have some money. You know what? If it's up 100%, sell half of your holdings, and then it'll basically pay for what you already have, and then wait for it to dip back down, because chances are it will, and then buy some more. Now, I know Bitcoin, you can say, oh yeah, well last year Bitcoin was $1,100, $1,200, and if I sold it then, I'm screwed now. But Bitcoin is extremely rare for something to do that, and I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but when you get a chance to take decent profits, I'm talking like 15, 20, 25% or a little more, at least take some off the table and put it in your pocket. And then if you see a dip or you see another coin you like, then you have the cash to buy it, and you can advance your holdings. So don't be afraid to take your profits, because more times than not, if you don't take your profits, you will wind up losing money in the long run. And that leads us to don't panic sell. That's number 4. So many times I bought something and I thought, okay, this is really good stuff. And I remember Carl Icahn one time purchased into, I think it was called, I don't think it was Volturi. I can't remember what it was, but it was Volturi or something to that effect. But Carl Icahn, it had a blurb saying he had purchased it. So I jumped down and bought some. It went up a little bit. I sold it. I was so excited. Well, then I decided to buy some more because it kept going up. So when I bought some more, it started to dip back down. Then I panicked and sold it all, and the daggum stuff went up like twice what I'd paid for it. I'm still mad about that. So don't panic sell. If you see stuff going down, just like about 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago in the crypto market, when China and Jamie Dimon were throwing everything they had at the crypto world to beat it down, everybody started panic selling, and it was a fire sell. So you could have bought Bitcoin for $3,000 a coin 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Now it's 48.62 a coin. So don't panic sell. If you panic sell, you're going to wind up losing a lot of money. And that leads us to number 5. Don't buy on an uptrend. If you see something going up and it's up 30% today, you know what? It might go to 100%. Who knows? But don't take the chance of buying it 30% up and then all of a sudden, it start dipping down and go down 15% where you bought it at. So, you can wait, because all these coins, if you've noticed in the last month, they've all went down a ton and they went up and then they came back down. So, you could have been flipping these things like crazy. But don't panic and think, oh, this is the last time I can get it for this price. Because, when Bitcoin was almost at 5,000 a coin a month ago, a lot of friends of mine were saying, oh my gosh, it's only going to go up from here. It's going to be the 13,000. It's going to go up to the 500,000 John McAfee talked about. And it's easy to get caught up in that hype, because even myself was like, oh man, maybe you're right. Holy cow. But the bottom line is it went back down to 3,000. Now it's to 48.62. Will we see a dip in Bitcoin? Eventually, I'm sure we will. I think right now the main thing driving it is if you own a share of Bitcoin, you're going to get a share of Bitcoin Gold. So in the fork in November. So, automatically you're going to have some kind of extra money, an extra coin in your holding for every Bitcoin you hold. So I think personally that's what's driving Bitcoin right now. But Bitcoin is, in my opinion, the reference coin of the crypto world. So anyways, don't buy on uptrends, because a lot of times it's illogical doing that. Number 6, you're not going to get rich quick. And I say that with parentheses around usually, because don't get me wrong, guys. I know there's a lot of people that have gotten rich quick. That's never happened to me. So, I don't want to try to hurt anybody's feelings or make somebody feel like they can't do it, because you can do anything in the world you put your mind to. I firmly believe that. But at the same time, don't go out thinking, oh man, I'm going to get rich quick. I'm going to retire in a month. That would be great if you can, but you need to go in with a better game plan than that. Just like these companies, these cryptocurrencies make roadmaps. Make a roadmap of where you want to be with your cryptocurrency, how much you can spend each month out of your paycheck to purchase some, at what percent you want to take profits, at what percent you're going to cut your losses. Make a roadmap for yourself instead of just saying you're going to get rich quick and having that mindset. Have the mindset that you're going to, fundamentally sit down and think about this and figure it out. Because I can tell you right now, you'll make much wiser decisions that way. When you go just barreling into something, you tend to make bad decisions. And I've done that in my life. I've done it day trading. On Amazon, I bought an actual call on Amazon one time, and I could have made $300,000 in a day, and instead I lost $30,000. So, I get sick of anything about it. But just a really stupid thing that I did, and it was all because I had the mindset of I'm going to get rich quick, and that didn't happen. And number 7, pay attention to winners. Whenever you find a YouTube video and people are giving you the objective stuff, when they can actually show you, the proof in the pudding of what they've done, what they have, listen to them. The Roger Veres of the world. He got into Bitcoin because it was a belief system that he really truly believed in. And the guy absolutely, he doesn't go out there and push anything. He doesn't even really want the forks with the Bitcoins, even though every time it forks, he's making hundreds of millions of dollars. pay attention to the people who actually, have their feet on the ground and know what's going on and research this stuff for a living. You look at the box mining guy. He was mining Bitcoins back when it was around $10 a coin. I know he said that in a video that I'd watched. And just really pay attention to the people who really know what's going on and that aren't trying to push or sell you anything. The people that just are trying to be strictly informative, that'll help you with your research, along with, if you want to know what is Centracoin, or what is Ubik, and you look at the fundamentals of the video, that these people put out, and they're trying to give you straight facts, nothing else, just straight facts of what this is to maybe help you along the way. And that's the way you become a winner. So guys, do your research, diversify, take your profits, don't panic sell, don't buy up trends. You're typically not going to get rich quick, and pay attention to the winners. That's really all I got for you today. Hopefully it helps you guys in your trading, or even in maybe just some other aspect of your life of stock market or Forex or whatever you might be into. But you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. If you have any ideas for me, post them in the comment section below. Sorry, I've just got this World Coin Index background up right here. I just kind of feel crappier. I was going to put together like a little PowerPoint slide that, flung little little tabs across, but I don't know. I think I'm going to go back to bed here in a minute. But anyways, good luck trading, guys. Market's looking good today. Altcoins are finally starting to move back up after that massive shift in Bitcoin going up and altcoins faltering. So I think we got a lot of green ahead. As always, guys, good luck, and Crypto Force signing out.